The rhythm of your life inspires everything we create. We design materials not just for function, but to help you feel your authentic self in every touch. In our collection, we present 3 philosophies of being that reflect inner values. Bethical. Bethical true beauty hidden within every surface. PACEful. PACEful tranquil rhythms, uniquely yours. Embody. And embody, where imagination gradually becomes reality. In 2026, we expand the boundaries of emotion through new designs from wood patterns, alive with natural vitality. Stone designs powerful and enduring. Abstract designs where art meets imagination. Celsus, featuring anti-fingerprint capabilities, won the IF Design Award in 2011, following its Good Design Award in 2010. And Veltouch Matte, offering deep, soft touch that captivates. As interior designers, we understand that great materials create experiences. They transform spaces into emotional journeys for those who inhabit them. The right material doesn't just fill a space, it shapes how people feel, how they connect with their environment. When materials speak to who you are, Aica understands your rhythm.